This is James at Proinkshop.com. One of my customers asked me about the paper mismatch or paper not detecting the right size. Mostly that happens by the media sensor. This is called the media sensor, right on. Let me turn the. Hold on. When you look at the insert print head on the right, below, the right by the lever. This part is the media sensor part, and right under the print head, right here, there's like a little flat, like glass part on there, and then mostly when they get dirty by like the ink, leftover ink, or like sludges or whatever, that thing cannot read the papers. So that's mostly happen. So what you gotta do is the user. I don't have the Q-tip right now, but I only got a alcohol wipe. So I don't think a alcohol wipe works. So use a little Q-tip, and then put some alcohol on it, and then on the below over here. Let's see. Yeah. You just lift a little bit, and then over under the bolt. Hopefully I can show you better. Okay, right here. Right here, so under the bolt, the bottom part. Right here. Just try to clean it up until you don't get any ink out. Okay. So then we're gonna solve the problem. Thank you.